In today's data-driven world, industries, governments, and societies rely on data to make informed decisions, drive innovation, and solve complex problems. That is where data science comes in. What is data science? It's the discipline of turning raw, complex data into actionable insights that drive decisions, innovation, and problem solving across industries. Data scientists collaborate across disciplines, innovate emerging technologies, communicate complex insights, and investigate data-driven problems. Data science brings together domain applications, mathematics, and computer science to generate powerful insights that drive understanding and innovation. Domain-specific applications provide the context for data-driven insights, focusing on real-world challenges across healthcare, business, engineering, and more. These applications ensure that analysis remains relevant and actionable. Mathematics form the foundation for creating reliable insights through statistics and probability. When paired with domain knowledge, data scientists use statistical analysis to uncover trends and validate discoveries. Computer science delivers the tools, such as programming and data engineering, that turn data into scalable insights. Data systems bridge the domain data with the computing know-how. When combined with mathematical modeling, this leads to AI and machine learning, where algorithms generate new insights by learning from data. As data ecosystems become more complex, data professionals must develop deeper interdisciplinary skills, combining technical expertise with strategic thinking, ethical awareness, and the ability to translate data insights into meaningful organizational action. And the job market? It's booming. 1.5 million data science jobs were added in 2024. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, data science jobs are projected to grow 35% by 2031, one of the fastest growing fields today. Data scientists are everywhere, from predictive analytics in healthcare to personalized marketing, efficient supply chains, and robust financial forecasting. Data science is revolutionizing every sector. With a master's degree in data science, you can integrate and collaborate across key roles in the data ecosystem, such as data engineering, data architect, data analyst, and AI or ML engineer, bridging the gap between data infrastructure analysis and intelligent systems to deliver end-to-end data-driven solutions. Are you ready to take your career to the next level and become a leader in the dynamic field of data science? The Master of Science in Data Science, or MSDS degree at Texas A&M University, is your gateway to this exciting and rewarding career. The program provides a unique opportunity to gain the technical and professional expertise needed to succeed in data-rich industries. The in-person program is on Texas A&M's main campus in College Station, Texas. Designed to be completed in 3 semesters requiring 30 credit hours, you can choose from 4 tracks and dozens of courses, allowing you to customize the degree to meet your career goals. Prospective students apply and are admitted to one of the 4 tracks in the Colleges of Arts and Sciences or Engineering. We have a math, statistics, computer science, and electrical engineering track. Applicants are encouraged to play their strengths by applying to the track that most closely aligns with the disciplinary background of their bachelor's degree. We will go over the different tracks later, but we recommend you carefully consider which one best fits you. You cannot switch tracks after applying. Let's go over the 3-semester program path. All MSDS students start by taking the same 4 core courses, providing a foundation in advanced mathematics, analytics, programming, and data tools. Our curriculum builds on this solid foundation and allows you to tailor your studies by choosing from dozens of electives. To graduate, you must take 3 electives from your track and 3 electives from any track. During the summer session, many students take internships, which is optional, but can count as one of your electives. MSDS students have access to resources and services that help them find and succeed in internships. During the 3rd semester, students take 3 more electives and can enroll in the optional capstone course as one of those electives. The capstone course offers students the opportunity to apply their knowledge of data science methods and technologies to real-world data. Beyond coursework, the MSDS program connects you with a broader community at Texas A&M University, the #1 university in Texas in the Wall Street Journal's 2025 ranking. A&M is one of the largest research institutions in the U.S., home to advanced research centers like Texas A&M Institute of Data Science. The institute coordinates the MSDS program, working with the College of Arts and Sciences and Engineering to provide additional academic and professional development support and opportunities. Beyond coursework, TAMIDS connects you with scholarship and funding opportunities, research and real-world project experience, industry leaders and professional development opportunities, certificates, training, and professional accreditations, a growing and supportive community of student organizations, events, and more. Are you ready to apply? To apply, you need to go online and apply through Texas A&M Central Graduate CAS application portal. You can find the link on the MSDS website by going to tx.ag/MSDS. You need to create an account and select the appropriate MSDS fall deadline from the Add Program list. Before you go, we want to provide more information on what the application requires and how to select the track that is best for you. The application will require you to complete all 4 quadrants: personal information, supporting information, academic history, and program materials. Also, don't forget to pay the non-refundable application fee when you submit. Who should apply? The program is open to students from all majors. Competitive applicants typically show strong grades in calculus, linear algebra, and statistics, a GPA above a 3.0, and beginner to intermediate proficiency in at least one programming language like Python, R, MATLAB, C++, or Java. For international applicants, you need a minimum of 80 on TOEFL IBT, 8.5 on TOEFL Essentials, 6.0 on IELTS Academic, 146 on GRE Verbal Reasoning, or GMAT Verbal score of at least 77 on the new scale or 22 on the old scale. Each track reviews and admits applicants independently and look for potential students who will succeed in the rigorous coursework. The computer science track is highly competitive and seeks applicants with a demonstrated capacity for advanced computational work. Applicants should have a bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, data engineering, industrial and systems engineering, or a similar degree program with a strong focus on computational research, analytics, machine learning, and coding. Advanced proficiency in Python and Java is highly recommended. Applicants should also demonstrate prior computational research or large-scale project experience through academic study or professional accomplishments. The electrical engineering track prioritizes applicants with experience in the design, analysis, and application of computers as part of larger systems. Applicants should have a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, computer engineering, data engineering, industrial and systems engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, or a similar engineering degree program with a strong focus on machine learning, information processing, and analytics. Applicants should have a strong background in programming, machine learning, and familiarity with database systems. The mathematics track is designed to deepen a student's understanding of the theoretical underpinnings of the methods they will learn throughout the program. Applicants should have a bachelor's degree in mathematics, statistics, physics, engineering, or a related field with a strong background in computation and programming. The statistics track is part of one of the leading statistics departments in the country. Applicants should have a bachelor's degree in statistics, mathematics, computer science, or related fields. Most admitted students have a strong background in computation and programming. Now that you know which track you would like to apply to, let's go over your key application documents. Be prepared to submit. A statement of purpose detailing your goals and experience. Describe the reasons you are pursuing a graduate degree and why data science. You can also explain your experiences and steps taken to prepare for graduate school and what your academic professional interests and goals are. Submit your statement in the program materials quadrant under documents. A CV or resume that outlines your work history, describes your educational background, including relevant courses you took and their associated grades, list any relevant applications, publications, projects, and patents you have. Be sure your descriptions highlight research and project management experience. Submit your CV in the supporting information quadrant. You will also need to submit a copy of your transcript in the academic history quadrant. This can be a non-official. Official transcripts are required only if you are admitted and intend to enroll. Provide 3 signed letters of recommendations from former instructors, supervisors, or other professionals that can speak to your proficiencies and readiness to pursue a graduate degree. Be sure to include the contact information of your references in the program materials. Finally, you need to upload documentation of your publications and other additional materials in Program Materials quadrant. Please note that while the GRE is waived for all applicants, international students must submit satisfactory scores on the TOEFL or IELTS exams. For more information, you can visit MSDS website by going to text.ag/MSDS or using the QR code on the screen.